Ahee, mina Izaswa Chauke aka YouTube channel Swaka Chauke TV. Ibamandla hivilela ka vanhu hinkwavo lava nga nghena va subscriber aka YouTube channel ya Matimba, YouTube channel Swaka Chauke TV. Hi ndlela yo fana na leyo emasiku hi nga ngheni aka channel hi vonana hi vulavula hi ndlela yo fana na leyo. Hambiswiritano a ni la ku waste ngopfu nkarhi kambe ni la ku vala hi mhaka ya strategy leswi Benny Mayengani a swi tirhisaka loko a lava ku humesa album. Benny Mayengani loko a lava ku humesa album u endla ku yelana nyana na Mr na Soul Makam, it's more or less the same. Benny Mayengani loko a lava ku humesa album u rhanga a create xilo xo karhi, a special beef. Tani ku Benny Mayengani we all know ku u invest ngopfu aka beef, aka tingoma ta yena kumbe aka ti-album ta yena, u hype ti-album ta yena hi beef. So currently if you can check on a normal basis kumbe masiku mo karhi, you see Benny Mayengani dissing Dr. Stole, or this Dr. Stole doing the same to Benny Mayengani, which clearly shows that's a promotion to the album ya Benny Mayengani. Sweswo hi leswi endliwaka ngopfu hi Soul Makam. Loko mo tsundzuka kahle le ndzhaku, Soul Makam would create something xa ku hlekisa, would create something that you guys will speak about before our humesa album. Sweswiwani hi nge le ka n'hweti leyi yi nga ya September hi approachaku leyi aka tin'hweti leti Soul Makam na Benny Mayengani va humesaka hi kona. Soul Makam chose this month to go to China so that we can start talking about him. Anti ku mantwisisa na. Benny Mayengani sweswi u le ku vulavuleni hi Mr Post aka endla leswiya swa ku va ri ka boxing and all those things, ku komba ku la ta ba munhu. It's a marketing strategy lexi Benny Mayengani a nga le ka xona at the moment. And I can tell you that this strategy has been working for Benny Mayengani for ages now. Hi mhaka ku i strategy lexi a swi twisaka xa n'wi tirhela, so u investini aka xona. So as an artist u fanele u invest aka strategy xo karhi lexi xi nga ta va beneficial aka tingoma ta wena kumbe aka album ta wena, kumbe loko se u fanele u release ku vanhu va ta kota ku teka attention va yi hoxa ka wena. The sad part about Prince Rangani is not even promoting his album. Zero, it's quiet. The sad part about Mr. Post is not even promoting his album. It's painful. The sad part about Dr. Joy Shirman is not promoting his album. It's very painful. So I think it's a high time the mentioned above artist lava nga ta humesa ka summer leyi ya ku aka yo kumbe December kumbe let me say no loko no December ni va ni nga wrong because it album leti nga ta huma hi ti 1 ta October kumbe hi ti 1 ta November, which means these albums the target time ta to i December ku ba ti ya dominate December. So according to myself i problem aka tiqambi leti tsandzeka ku investa ka something lexi nga ta endla ku va kota ku tingoma ta vona ti album ta vona ti kota ku tekeriwa enhlokweni hi ndlela yo fanela. Hambiswiritano malama mavonelo ma mina, mavonelo ya n'wina vo yingisela a hi yona ya xitichi. Hambiswiritano kama u nga ri ku subscribe aka YouTube channel ya Swaka Chauke TV, hi ba mandla hi vuyelela ka vanhu hinkwavo lava nga subscribe hi ndlela yo fana na yaleyo. Ahee.